And now I have a finished hoodie. The inside of my hood seam where it attaches to the neckline has been overlocked all around there. A good quality control check to do is to go and check for any little loose threads that are poking out anywhere. I've actually done most of that as I go, but it's good to just do a little check for any straggly threads that could be trimmed off. And then make sure you do a fitting and do some personal evaluation of your product as well. So one thing that I've just evaluated for myself is that if I was to do this next time, I probably would have put my eyelets on the outside because of that big dramatic overlap. The eyelets, where the drawstrings are coming out of the eyelets doesn't really sit that well from the front. I probably should have done them from the front so they're just hanging out there. So always good to note how you would improve things next time. And I hope you enjoyed making your hoodie.